everybody, and welcome to Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Tamar Mehr, and I'm going to take you through several opportunities that I'm stocking on the pound pairs. And first up, I've got pound Aussie. And let's take a look at the daily. And on the daily, we had this big push down. We are not in any kind of trend because we have this high and then a higher high, a low, and then a lower low. But I'm looking for the market to pull back. And to where am I going to look for this pullback is this level. And why is this level? Let's take a look. So we've got these touches over here, and then we have some more touches around here, and as long as we zoom out, we can find more touches right over here, and some more around here. So this is a very nice level on this pair. It's also close to the round number of 1.8. So what I'm looking for, if we'll take a look at the 4 hours, for example, we can see that the market right here is in a very nice downtrend. We're making lower highs and lower lows, and we're respecting the sell zone, which is the area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages. What I'm looking for is the market to pull back into that level, somewhere around here, perhaps a little bit lower, and give me a small bearish candle right here in the sell zone. I'll be then looking for the 8 hours, which is the next time frame up. So let's move into that to give me confirmation of that. So right now the 8 hours is not in the sell zone, so I'll be waiting for the 8 hours to also get in the sell zone before I look for trading opportunities around this time frame. But again, what I'm looking for is the market to show me that this pullback has finished and look for an opportunity to join this downtrend. And I would love to do that where my stop loss is protected by this level. However, my entry is below that level for extra protection of my opportunity or my trade setup. The next market that I'm looking at is pound Canadian. Now, if I was looking on the 4 hours and 8 hour for trading opportunities on pound Aussie, with pound Canadian, I'm looking on higher time frame. And the reason for that is we are very overextended right here on the averages, and on the 4 hours what we've done is basically moved sideways. I'd like to see the market pull back a little bit further. I'd like to see it, if we'll take a look at the daily, I'd like to see it pull back around this area into this level somewhere around here. If we zoom out a bit, we can see that there are also some touches around here on this area, but mainly what we have is this consolidation area right around here. So I'd like to see the market pulling back, catching up with its averages on the daily. What we can see on the indicators that they are very bearish, they're pushing down and they are converging. Now, because the 1 hour and 4 hours, they're basically moving sideways, what I'll do is I'll go into the 12 hours. So let's take a look around that. Let's move into the 12 hours. And what we can see on that is that the market is in a process of, this is a very nice downtrend that we've got here on the 12 hours. We also have a downtrend right here on the daily on pound CAD, which we didn't have on pound Aussie. I'd love to see the market pull back into this area. You can also see that there is a pivot, or right now there are 3 pivots around this area. So I'd love to see the market at this area in the sell zone, giving a small bearish candle before a continuation of this downtrend. However, if the markets continue to trend lower, then I would go down into lower time frame, such as 15 minutes, and I would look to see if I can use my breakout strategy to trade this level right over here, if I can get a nice and exact flat level on this pair. The last one that I want to take a look at is pound Kiwi. And let's take a look at the daily on pound Kiwi, and we can see right here that the big picture is down. We've got a high, a low, a lower high, and right now we've got a lower low. So once again, let's see where this market pull back to, because as we can see, we are overextended on the moving averages right here on the daily. Now the main level that we've got over here is around the $2 mark, and as you can see right over here, this is a bullish candle that we've got here. So we are overextended. We currently have a bullish candle on this day. I would love a pullback into this level and then a trading opportunity of this level to join this downtrend. Indicators also pushing lower and converging. So once again, I'll go down the time frame. Let's take a look at the 12 hours, see how the 12 hours look like. And what we can see on the 12 hours is that, as we said, the big picture is down, but what we had on the 12 hours is basically a big push down. I would like to see the market pull back into this level and then give me a trading opportunity to continue the downtrend. But if we look at the 4 hours in this case, on the 4 hours what we've got is a nice downtrend. So we've got a high, we've got a low, lower high, lower low, and now we mostly sideways action around this area. I would like to see the market pulling back just because we are overextended on the daily. But if we again, just the same with pound Canadian, look at the 15 minutes to see if we can spot a trading opportunity as a flat level currently around here. Right now, this is not the kind of flat level that I like. There is divergence right here from the indicators, and it's mostly just a sideways action, then the price pushing lower. But I'll keep on stalking this pair and watching this level to see if there's any trading opportunity coming down from the 15 minutes. But my preferred trading opportunity will be as the market pull back, because that will release this selling pressure that we have and prepare the market for the next possible leg down. So these are some of the market that I'm stocking on the pound pairs. If you want to know more about how we trade and how we choose our trading opportunities, then please join us on our next free live trading webinar. And the topic that we have is high performance trading for a busy lifestyle. And what we're going to look at in this webinar is how we can make trading work around our busy lifestyle. If you have a full-time job or kids or whatever it is that take your time away from trading, how you can actually make trading work in those time frames that you've got. We're going to look at a strategies that basically suit any market and any time frame. So if you have a lot of time in front of the computer, you can look at lower time frame. If you don't have a lot of time and you only have half an hour in the evening, then you can look at a daily candle. This strategy would work just the same. So if you're interested in learning more about what we do, then please join us on this webinar. We've got 2 dates for you. So the first one is today, Tuesday, the 18th of November, and it's at 8 a.m. London, 7 p.m. Sydney, and 9 p.m. Auckland. The next date is on Wednesday, the 19th of November, and that will be on 3 p.m. New York, 8 p.m. London, 7 a.m. Sydney, and 9 a.m. Auckland on the next day. To register to this webinar, simply go to tradewithprecision.com and then free webinar tab. I look forward to seeing you there. Wishing you a fantastic trading week, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.